Hi guys, and welcome back to another cleaning video. My name is Zenne. I am very excited to share this video with you guys because I'm going to clean out the entire fridge and freezer today. So get ready for a lot of cleaning motivation, and without further ado, let's get started. And as usual, I'm going to start with a before of the space that I'm going to clean and declutter. And this is what our fridge and freezer look like. They have like no organization or whatsoever. So we're going to change that in today's video. So I'm starting with the fridge and take everything out, and I already found a cucumber that was expired. It was all soggy and gross, so I tossed it in the bin immediately.
I've tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try.
And then later on I found another cucumber that was also like expired. It had mold on it and it was just gross. So I also threw this in the bin. And I also took everything out of the fridge door. And here you can see the fridge when every single item is out. And as you can see, it definitely could use a good scrub and a clean. And oh my gosh, look at all the stuff that came out of the fridge. This is, oh my god, it shocked me really how much stuff there was. And I'm going through all the items later on in this video, but first I'm going to tackle the fridge. So I'm taking all these plates out and I'm going to clean them in the sink. And as you can see here, it definitely needed that clean because it had all crumbs and stuff, so it was just gross. And I'm just going to use dish soap and a sponge to clean the plates of the fridge. And I think this was the most satisfying part of the entire clean because look at how gorgeous and beautiful the plates look. They were just like a window. They were just see-through, nice, clean, sparkly. I love it. And I'm sorry, I'm just using plates, but I don't even know if that's a good translation of the word, but like fridge shelves or something. I don't know. You guys get what I mean. And I'm just going to clean every single item in this fridge.
Yeah, I feel that. Yeah,
And then with a microfiber cloth, I'm cleaning the inside of the fridge.
It means that you'll come home to me once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
And it was so sad, but I couldn't get the drawers out, so I just vacuumed it and just left it in there. But I of course vacuumed it and cleaned it out.
I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind.
And then I put everything back in the fridge, like all the shelves and stuff.
Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your destination. I hope I'll be your.
And then I did the same with the baskets on the fridge door.
I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your destination. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it off.
And look how gorgeous the fridge looks right now. It looks brand new.
Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear.
And now I'm going through all the items that were in the fridge and see if something is expired or empty, because my siblings tend to leave empty packages in the fridge. I know, very annoying, but they do it anyways.
Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you're doing it.
And this is everything that we keep, and this is the small pile of things that were expired or empty, so I'm throwing these away. And then after all the cleaning and decluttering, we can finally start organizing. And this is my favorite thing to do when I'm cleaning, organizing, decluttering, because I just love organizing. It just makes everything look neat, put together. So that's what I'm going to do now. And tada! Oh my gosh, it looks amazing. I was very happy with the result. And then of course I'm moving on with the fridge, and I just took this one by one. So I just started with the upper shelf, cleaned it because it was a very hot day today, and if I just took everything out it could like defrost. So I just went by shelf by shelf. And then I started by taking everything off the shelf, cleaning the inside of the freezer, and then I like decluttered things that were expired and then reorganized it. And I did that with every shelf.
And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy.
And I also couldn't get these drawers out, so I just did the same exact thing as I did in the fridge.
That you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
And this is the end result of the fridge. And here you can see a complete overview of what the fridge and freezer look like. And then I'm ending this cleaning session with cleaning the outside of the fridge and vacuuming the floor.
If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light.
And this is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would really help me and I would really appreciate it. So don't forget to do that, and then I would love to see you in my next video. Bye guys!
I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you.